Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your email in Claude. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to change your email in Claude AI, you have to follow these steps. First, sign in to your Claude account and click on your profile icon. From there, open settings. Then go to the account section. Look for an option to edit or change your email address. If the option is available, enter your new email address and follow the on-screen verification steps to complete the change. If you do not see an option to change your email, don't worry. In many cases, Claude does not allow users to update their email address directly from the account settings. If that is the case, you may need to create a new account using your new email address. To do this, sign out of your current account and create a new Claude account with the email address you want to use. Complete the verification process and finish setting up the account. Keep in mind that your previous chats and account data will not automatically transfer to the new account, so make sure to save any important conversations beforehand. If you want to keep your existing account and data, the best option is to contact Claude support. Visit the Claude Help Center and submit a support request. Include your current email address, the new email address you would like to use, and a brief explanation of why you want to make the change. After submitting the request, wait for a response from the support team. They may be able to update your email address manually depending on your account status and their current policies, and that's it. This is how you can change your email in Claude. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.